Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable print logging in Event Viewer on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable print logging on Event Viewer in Windows 11 computer, go to search and in search type Event Viewer. Click on Event Viewer. Here you will find Applications and Services Logs. Expand Applications and Services Log. Now expand Microsoft. Then expand Windows. Now scroll down. Here you will find Print Service. Click on Print Service. And here you will find two types of logs. One is admin and another one is operational. Right click on operational log and click on properties, and here you will find an option enable logging, and now it is not selected. That means print logging is not enabled. Just click here, and here is the maximum log size, and you will find the when maximum event log size is reached, overwrite event log as needed. And another option is archive the log when full, do not overwrite events. And another option is do not overwrite events, clear logs manually. You can select any one. I am selecting overwrite events as needed. And if you want, you can change the size from here. I am not changing. Okay, now click on apply and then click on OK. Now print logging is enabled. Now double click on the operational and you will find the print logging messages in this area. This is the easiest way to enable print logging in Event Viewer on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.